I don't know, should I say this to you C15 lovers? I don't know, am I loving or am I hating this wee bike? Show you why. This is my newly rebuilt forks. Oh dear. Oil. My whole life is spent chasing leaking oil from this bike. And I think it is coming from the bolt in here. It could be from the drains plug. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a different way of sealing that, and I'm going to take the bolt out at the bottom here and I'm going to put it in with thread locker, see if that'll seal it. Four millimeter Doughty washers seem to be the perfect size to go on the drain plugs. I did this to both fork legs. Oh dear, oh dear. We are not out of the woods with this forks yet. It does not seem to be coming from there. It does not seem to be coming from there. But it seems to be dripping down from here. So the only thing I can think of that's leaking is the seal holder. So I'm going to take it off and I'm going to put a lot of sealant on it and see what happens. Right, I've cleaned the threads with cellulose thinners. And now I'll just degrease with a bit of carb cleaner. They could do with a paint, but not just now. Let's do this here. So I'm just going to not stint the amount of sealant I use. I'm just going to go for it and try and get it to seal. So here's Hylamar Blue. I don't want to use a thread locker Because if I use a thread locker, I'll never get this off. So I'm going to give the threads a good coat. I'm going to do the inside as well. Right, there's a good whack of blue Hylamar there. It's the only other place it can be leaking. On the rubber gardening gloves. Give it a right good tighten. Right, that's it all back together. We'll see what oil gathers on that. Let's hope none. I'm honestly not knowing what to do about my C15. Do I keep it or do I get rid of it? I'm sick of dealing with oil leaks and not resolving them, whether it be in the forks, whether it be in the engine. And the other thing is I can't start it at the moment. I've torn my calf muscle on my right leg attempting to start it after the winter. And I'm just hobbling around at the moment and can't start it physically. So I will see. I would love to be taking it out journeys about the Highlands, but at the moment it's just not practical. This is next day, 24 hours later. There's a wee drop of oil down there, but if we track up from that, it seems to have come from up here. And I did spill oil yesterday while filling the forks. If we come down and follow down below where it has been leaking, we do seem to be not leaking today. Hey ho.